today's session. I told you that I want to ask you some questions before starting this lesson. Now you are able to see one picture in your screen. Okay. Now you may be thinking that teacher, what we have to do with this picture? So what you have to do, you have to look this picture very carefully and you have to tell me what thing comes in your mind after looking this picture. Or this is related to a story, and if it is related to story, just tell me the name of the story. Okay. So now your time starts now. Jungle Book, Ishika. Here I got the very first answer that the name of the story is the Jungle Book. Very good. Very intelligent student. So what I was saying that this picture is related to what? This related to one of the famous story that you may ever heard from your parents or in your TV. You have seen a movie related to it, and even the books related to this particular of story, Jungle Book. And the characters of this Mowgli, and then all characters are there in this story. And here you can see the characters, Bagheera. Now let's move towards the next interesting thing. Yes, now it's a very beautiful picture. Anybody, especially girls, would you like to tell me that this is related to what? Barbie, Ishika. Okay. Ishika always gives the response. So student, as you have already told me about the one of the story related to Jungle Book, and one of the second picture is related to Barbie. So this all are what? This all are the story characters, right? This all are what? This all are story characters. We all students and you all students and kids love to hear the story, even watch the story related or movie related to the story, right? So today we are going to learn one of the beautiful story, and the story which gives us lot of we can say a lot of energy and even the motivation to fight in the difficult situation. Okay, the stories gives us moral. So are you ready to learn a new story? Yes. Okay. Thank you. Okay, now student, do one thing. Stop chatting now. Thank you for your response. Now stop chatting and just keep your phone aside and look at the screen carefully. Okay. Good. Very good. So now today's story is related to one of the bravest man known as Sindbad. Okay. What is the name of the character? Like that in the Jungle Book, the main character was Mowgli. So in our story book, the main character name is Sindbad. What is the name? Sindbad. So Sindbad is a one famous story and the story book of the Arabian countries, and there are the various stories written in that particular book. Now, what is the name of this book? The name of this book is what? 1001 Night. Okay. What is the name of the storybook? 1001 Night. And even the Arabian Night. Okay. This is the name of the book in which the all story related to Sindbad is mentioned. Okay. So let's see about the Sindbad first, from where he is coming from. So the Sindbad is from Baghdad. Okay. Baghdad is okay. Here you can see. Here, this is the hello.
to interrupt. Hello.
Hello. Yes, Anil sir. Is my voice is not clear?
Request all children, please put up your request all day children, please put up the videos. Please put up the videos, concentrate on the teacher. Please put up your videos, everyone. The request, please put up concentrate on the teacher.
I request all the students to kindly put off your webcam. If you all are able to hear me, kindly type Y in the chat box if you are able to hear me clearly. Yes. Okay, so one of the message I got, the voice is breaking. So I think so that the problem is there from the parent side. Okay, thank you student. Thank you so much for your response. Okay. Yes, I want to request you all again that please put off your webcam. After 3 warning, you will be removed from the class. So I request you all to please put off your webcam. माइक के बाजू में जो कैमरे का ऑप्शन है स्टार्ट वीडियो इज रिटन ओवर देयर सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू जस्ट put just click on it, that will become red, that means your video is off. Just do that first and then we'll proceed with our story. Anis sir, is it okay now?
Yes.
Thank you sir, thank you. So student, what I was saying that the story is related. Tanushri, your voice is breaking. Anis sir, is my voice is clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, thank you, thank you. So this Sindbad story, that the main character of the story is Sindbad, and the Sindbad was a brave, very brave and generous and kind. Okay, even in the difficult situation, he never loses his heart. What I was telling about that from where the Sindbad belongs. Okay, so the Sindbad belongs to the Baghdad. Now you may be thinking, teacher, where is Baghdad? So here in this picture, you can see that this is here clearly you can see that here is a map of India. Okay, map of India. So in this side, the red mark at red dot is there, that is the Baghdad. So Sindbad belongs to Baghdad, and the story of the all voyages. Now you may be thinking that, teacher, what is meant by voyages? So voyages are the traveling of the sea, or the when the person travel or to do the journey over the sea is called as voyages. So the story is related to the lesson number 5, the story of Sindbad the sailor. Okay, let's see more about it. As I already told you that all the voyages, that all the journey whichever he did, this all story related to that journey is mentioned in this book. Okay, these books are as One Night, 1001 Night, and even the Arabian Night. These are the 2 stories. All the journey or the detail or the story related to journey is mentioned over here. Okay. Yes. Now, one thing you have to keep in mind very carefully. What is that? That the quality, okay, that the behavioral quality of the Sindbad. Okay, how was the Sindbad? Sindbad was very honest. Okay, the very first thing, he was very honest. He always support the truth. The second is generous. Okay, and then brave, and never get scared in the difficult situation. and very kind person he was, that the three quality of Sindbad is mentioned in the particular of this story. So that is what is the name of the very first story. The name of the first story is the First Voyages. Now, first of all, you have to understand that this story consists most of the word related to trade and water transport. I hope that you know about the water transport. Water transports are the transport which take place over the sea. Okay, with the help of this ship and cargo ships. Okay, so port, trade, these all words we are going to see, and even the meaning of this word. So where as the train stop in the railway station, the ship stop at the where? At the port. Okay. So let's start with the story. Now there was a Sindbad, and Sindbad was very intelligent person, and he used to do the trade. Okay, now trade means what? Buying and selling of goods. Goods means what? Goods means anything. Okay, what he used to do was the type of person who used to take. Hello, Anil sir, would you please help me? Is my voice is breaking because I am getting message over here.
No, it's clear here.
It's clear. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. So this Sindbad was the person. Sorry, student. So this Sindbad was the person, was very honest and very generous and kind. And what he used to do, he used to travel from one place to another place by ship and buy some goods and sell in the other countries. Okay. So this was a work. Okay, this was the work which is done by this Sindbad. So they, what they used to do, they used to sold their merchandise. Now, what is meant by merchandise? Merchandise means goods or the thing for a sale. Okay, goods or thing for a sale. So merchandise and bought new things to trade. So they used to take one thing from one country and then they used to sell in the other country, and from that country they take other things. So in this way they used to trade. Okay, as you know that the Amazon, Flipkart, this all what they are doing, they are selling the goods. Okay, they give you order online and nowadays and you get the product. In the same way, in the ancient time, to do this all thing, what the trade, they used to go from one country to another other country by ship. Okay, so this is all work done by this Sindbad. One day, what is mean by trade? To sell. So one day what they were doing, they were just selling the ship smoothly. Selling means what? As we drive the car, so driving a ship is known as selling. Okay, so the ship was already selling very smoothly across the sea, and suddenly they spotted a small island at the distance. My dear student, always keep in mind that in this island, okay, in the word island, this S is silent. Okay, so always called it as an island. So suddenly what they saw? They saw one of the island in a distance. So after looking towards the island, what they started thinking, oh wow, from many more days we have not seen a land, and in front of us it's a beautiful island. And suddenly they started planning about what? They started planning to just go on that particular of island. Now what is island? Island is a land surrounded by water from all sides. Okay, what is island? Island is one of the place that it's already covered from all sides, covered with the water. In this picture you can see that the green. What is that? That is the island surrounded with water. Okay, so they suddenly saw the island and they got excited. Why they got excited? Because from many days they have not seen a land, and after looking towards the land they got surprised and happy. Now you may be thinking, teacher, what is in the surprise to see the land? My dear student, this all sailors in ancient time, they used to travel for a long days in the sea. And you know that the water transport is very time consuming transport. Okay, it's a very slow. So to go from one place to other country or another place, what it takes a month. Okay, it takes a lot of 1, 2 to 3, 4 months, and they have to just survive on a ship. That is the only particular place where they have to stay for a month. So after looking towards the land, they got very happy. Oh wow, now we will go and we will do some of the activity. From long time we are in the ship. So that's the reason they got very excited. They sailed close to the island. What happened? They sailed close to the island. They decided to just go on that island and spend some time. And even they got the permission from the captain of the ship. Now, captain of the ship, the person who take charge of sailing ship. Okay, just going from one place to other place, as we have driver in our car or bus driver. In same way, as we have pilot in the aeroplane, in the same way in the what happened in the ship, the head person is captain. So they got permission from the captain and he allowed to go there for a picnic. Okay, they plan to do picnic on a island. And after getting the permission, everyone was excited. Now, what does mean by excited? Very happy. They got very happy to know that, yes, now we are going to do some of the activity and picnic over the island. So after coming back to this island, what they started doing, they started planning for the different things. What? Strolled. Okay, now here is the one new word, stroll. On the island, they stroll around sing and dance. What they started singing and dancing. Stroll, walk here and there. They started looking what is there in that island, because after long day they have seen the land. And some lit fire to cook the meals. As we do everything in the picnic, in the same way, these all persons started doing the different activities. Some started doing washing their clothes, and some started lighting the fire and cooking meals. So as they lit the fire, what happened? Let's see. Soon the breeze sprang up. Now, what is mean by this sprang up? Sprang up means begin to blow suddenly. So the wind, okay, the wind, जो हवा होती है, that the wind started blowing in a speed, breeze, and sprang up and suddenly started blowing in with all their strength. Begin to blow suddenly. And what happened when the wind blow? That time that the fire burned more strongly and fire began to blaze. What happened to the fire? The fire began to blaze. Blaze means what? Burn strongly. The fire started burning strongly. Suddenly the land began to shake and move. What happened? That when the breeze was sprung up and that the fire began to blaze, suddenly the land of island was started shaking and started moving. So they all got shocked. What is happening now? Everything was good when we came to this island. Now what happened to this? With a shock, the picnic party realized that the island was not an island at all. And very surprised thing, what happened? That they come to know that the land is moving, but this is not a land. This is not an island. This is something else. Let's see what that something else was. They were on the back of huge sea monster, and it was started moving. So my dear kids, that the island was not an island. That island was actually just a back of sea monster. Okay, that the island was back of sea monster, and after lighting out the fire, that the sea monster started moving. It's not a video. It's not a video. That's why you're not able to see. Now people begin to scream. What people started doing? People started screaming. Okay, screaming was what? Shouting. That this was very shocking for them, that why it is moving and we are in between the sea and this is danger to our life. So they left their pot and pans, their clothes both washed and unwashed, and rushed back to the ship. What people started doing, that the all people which were there in this ship and came out for the picnic, they started running towards the what? Towards the ship, because that was the only place where they were safe. So they started running towards that. They have left all the utensils, the whatever meal they were preparing, they all left everything over that island, or that island, and they started running towards the ship. The captain ordered his men to set sail immediately in order to move away from the master. And even the captain said, now yes, start just sailing the ship. We cannot spend more time over here. It's your sea monster and our life in danger. So they left everything, pot and pan, cloth, both, everything washed and washed, and rushed back to the ship. Now sea monster plunged deep into the sea. Now what happened to that sea monster? You know that these all people were over the sea monster's back, and this all sea monster started, after lighting up the fire, started moving. And when it started moving, they all got scared, and when they got scared, they started running. And the captain said, just go and start sailing the ship. Now sea monster plunged deep into the sea. Okay, he started moving and just go inside the sea. Many of the people managed to climb aboard the ship, but many sank into the ship, and so with the so-called island. Okay, so what happened? They in very hurry, that the person started running and climbing over the ship, and most of them just went inside the ship and saved their life. But some of them started what? They were into the sea, sank into the sea. Sindbad alone did not drown in the sea. What happened? Others sank, but the Sindbad was not drowned in the sea. But he could not reach the ship. But one problem happened to the Sindbad. That what happened to the Sindbad? Sindbad was not able to reach the ship. He was in the sea. He not sank, but he was drowning. But he not able to catch the ship. He saw that the ship is going far away from him, and just looking, because it was not possible for him to just swim very fast and just catch the ship. It was not possible for him. So what he started doing, he just kept looking towards the ship, and ship was going away from the Sindbad. Now he was at the midst of waves, being toasted here and there. Mercy means what? In the okay. In the favor, in mercy, उनकी sea waves की दया में था वो, mercy, it's called. He clung a piece of wood and somehow managed to keep afloated. What he started doing, suddenly he got one of the piece of wood, and he just kept himself floated. Okay, floated, afloat means what? Just keep themselves away from drowning, and just manage himself to just floating on a water. Afloat means floating. When the next day dawned, Sindbad was happy to see that he had floated near an island, a real big island. So early morning dawn, what happened? He saw that in front of him there was a one beautiful island. And this time that the island was not a sea monster, it was a real island. And he could see the hills and woods and tree at the distance. So let's take a pause, student, and know some of the difficult words and meaning. In the starting, I told you that be ready with a pen and pencil to note down the meaning of important words. So the very first word is merchandise. What is the meaning of very first word? Merchandise. Goods are the things for a sale. Okay. Trade. Trade means what? Give in return for something sell. Okay. Give in return for something sell. Stroll. Walk here and there. Okay. As I told you that people started strolling here and there over the island. Just note it down. And once you are done, just type O in the chat box. That means over. Tanishka, good. Thank you. Now next word is sprang up. Begin to blow suddenly, brace, burn strongly. I told you to type O in the chat box as a over. That if you are done with the writing, you have to write over. Okay. Afloat means floating. Thank you. Okay. So let's see the sum of the part of the story, whether you understood or not, and we will do a small evaluation in it. Okay. So very first question is to you is, people on the ship saw a small dash at a distance. Home, garden or island? Just let me know by typing A, B or C. Okay. Fill in the blanks and in that you have to feel. Yes, island. Okay. C. C. Good. Very good. Good. Thank you, Karthik, Tanish. Very good. Yes. Now next question is true or false. The island began to shake and move. It is true or false? Yes, true. Very good, students. Now next, Sindbad was famous seller of Baghdad. Okay, the answer is already mentioned. Let it be. Let's move towards the story. Okay, okay. Thank you for your response. Now stop chatting. Yes, thank you. Let's see that what happened in the story. You all want to know now what happened to the Sindbad next. So what you have to do, you have to stop chatting now. Okay, thank you. Yes. So till now we have seen that the Sindbad was who spent whole night over a sea, and early morning he saw that the island was there in the front of him, and it was a real island. He could see the wood and trees and hills over the island. So what he did, he gathered all his strength and just started swimming towards this island. He started moving that he saw over the sea to the seesaw, and he could muster all his all his strength that he could muster. With all the strength, whatever the strength he had, whatever the energy he had, because he was floating all over the night and he was very tired. So what he did, started taking his strength together and started floating towards, swimming toward this island. And when he reached to the island, he was very tired and he slept for some time and then he started walking. Okay. Then again, he made an effort and began to walk island over the shady fruit tree, and he could sit at the distance. Okay. Inland means what? Towards the area of land away from the sea. Now, after some of the distance he saw, luckily, this was his time when the king of the island sent his horse to the sea with the groom. So what is mean by the groom? Groom means that the person who take care of horse are called as grooms. So that grooms were just taking care of the these horses. They were making them bath, and this all thing was going on. And this groom saw that the somebody is coming. That somebody was Sindbad. So after looking towards the Sindbad, what they started, they asked Sindbad, "What happened to you? What you are looking so tired? And do you want something?" They even given a food to the Sindbad. Sindbad had some food, and they took Sindbad to the king of that island. And the king was very good, very, we can say, very kind person. So king, impressed by the way Sindbad told him about what had happened. So Sindbad told him about that, what happened to him, that they were doing the picnic over the island, and that island was not a real island. It was a back of the sea monster. And afterwards, he just kept himself floating on a water whole night, and then he moved towards, suddenly he came to this real island. This is all stories said by the Sindbad. And after listening the story of Sindbad, what happened, what the king decided, king got very happy, very impressed. And he just said that Sindbad, that now you can work with us, and he given the duty. Now Sindbad stayed there for a few days, learned a lot from the king and the people on island, and telling them about the cities and the ports that he have visited. So what happened to this particular so for some days he stayed over that particular island, and he learned a lot of things related to trading, because king appointed Sindbad as the officer of the port. And he kept telling about, the Sindbad tell a story about that, I went to this particular area in this particular country, and we sell these things. So he started sharing his all previous knowledge, and he started making conversation with all people. For a few days, he started working and learned a lot from king. But at the same time, what Sindbad used to do? Sindbad used to make an inquiry about the ship coming from and going to the Baghdad. But no such ship ever came to the port. And at the same time, that the port was even was there, and that in that particular island, and he used to make some of the inquiry that, have you ever seen any person, any boat or the ship coming from that particular Baghdad and going to the Baghdad, because it was the only way to reach Baghdad. But it was a very, we can say, a sad moment that no ship ever came to that particular port from the Baghdad. But one day, very magical thing happened. Then one day the ship arrived at the island with a lot of merchandise. And that in that particular port, one day that merchandise, okay, one ship arrived with lot of merchandise. And I told you that what is meant by merchandise, that the things or the goods which are there inside the ship to sell. And luckily that Sindbad was there at the side of port. So Sindbad was at the quay when the cargo from the ship was being unloaded. So now what is mean by the cargo? Now my dear kids, you all are able to see that the boxes in that particular picture, right? These boxes are there. So these boxes are what? These boxes only are known as cargo. Okay, so that time the Sindbad was in the port and he was in the quay. Now, what is mean by this Q-U-A-Y, quay? Quay means a platform at the port or the harbor where the boats are unloaded their luggage. Okay, as the train stop at the platform, in the same way, the ship also stop in particular a platform. That platform is known as quay. So he was standing over the quay and he saw that the cargo is being unloaded. And he was surprised to see that his own name was marked on some of the boxes. And suddenly what he saw? He saw that in some of the cargoes, okay, some of the boxes, even Sindbad name was there. See that in this cargo, Sindbad name was there. And after looking towards that cargo, he got surprised that yes, this all cargoes are mine. I know students, you are not able to do the chat because your chat option is off now. When we do some of the question answer, that time I will do unlock. Okay, so don't worry. Then what Sindbad decide? Sindbad decide to what? Sindbad decide to know that from where this ship came from. And when he met to the captain, that he got surprised that the captain was that only when he was faced the problem of sea monster, same captain was there inside that ship. So the first captain could not believe that he was the same Sindbad that they had seen drowning in the sea. Okay, what happened? That they were not able to believe that the Sindbad is alive. They thought that Sindbad has died, and after looking towards the Sindbad, he was not able to believe that Sindbad is alive. But after some time, when the Sindbad spoke to him face to face, he recognized him, and he gave him back his all merchandise. So what this person, what this captain do? Captain come to know that yes, Sindbad is alive, and he was even the captain was very honest. And what he did, he said that, oh, you are alive, and he was very happy to see that the Sindbad was alive. And after looking towards the Sindbad, he returned all his merchandise. Okay, all the thing which belongs to this Sindbad, brought by the Sindbad, he returned back all this merchandise. And even the Sindbad was very kind person. So what he did from the goods, okay, whatever he got back from that captain, the valuable item, most valuable item, he given to and given to that king. Okay, presented in front of king that your majesty, please accept this. Why he said like that? Because that the king was a very kind person and he given the work to Sindbad and even allow him to stay in that particular of island. And that is the reason what Sindbad given to that king, very valuable items. Whatever the most valuable item was there with the Sindbad, he presented in the front of king and even requested to accept that. And in return, the king also given some of the things to Sindbad. And after some day, what Sindbad did? Sindbad just started selling again, started doing the trading and leave that particular of island. He too given Sindbad many valuable gifts when Sindbad left the island with the merchant ship. So the merchant ships are the ships which carry the merchandise. That means the things which are there to use to do the trade or sell in the other countries. Now, some of the important words from this. Okay, it's time to do chat unlock.